Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 56th video in this series. It means that we have covered already 55 real exam questions जो students को paper में आए हैं, PTE exam में आए हैं. We have discussed the strategies, how to solve them. So let's get started. First things first, now PTE is accepted in UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in the UK, you can do it through PTE. And 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic. And this is my scorecard. My name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now, question students ask, can we also do? I also want to achieve my target score. So I have taken exam for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Is it possible? The answer is big yes. If you follow the strategies which we teach, you will be able to score the way our students are able to achieve their target score in their next attempt. And we post such informative videos on a regular basis. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And PT reading module is of 32 to 41 minutes. So आपको integrated timer होता है. You have to manage the time yourself. And by now, most of you know that it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47. And it has 5 question types. And the fifth or second last question type in this order is reading filling the blanks. And this is the real PT reading scoring, where you can see how 47 marks for reading comes, and it is usme bhi reading filling the blanks are of 15 marks. It means that agar aapko 5 RFIBs aa rahe hain, then they will be of 3 marks. So that's why they are very important. Chahe aapka target 6 bands ho, 7 bands ho, 8 bands ho, you have to make sure that after reading filling the blanks, you are able to solve them correctly and within the time frame. Talking about the time frame, you can spend around 2 to 2.5 minutes only. इससे ज़्यादा time you cannot spend on solving one reading filling the blank. अब उसमें क्या आप सारे words पढ़ सकते हो? The answer is no, you cannot read all the words. Right? What you need to do is you need to skim it. And in our institute, we tell students, we teach students online as well as offline how to perfect the art of skimming. This is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds, and after that, we are going to discuss this. Okay, so you know that we do the skimming first. Ab skimming mein kya hota hai? The first thing which we do is we look for its tenses. कौन से tense use हो रहे हैं? Past, present, future. We look for tone. Positive tone है, negative tone है, neutral tone है, as well as gist. Gist means overall central idea या theme. Okay, so let's get started with that. What computer science can tell us about biological systems do and how they do it? Can these chemical information processing functions be something in digital computing systems? What are the dash of developments in computer science in understanding the nature of causality? Aaron Sloman, author of Computer Evolution in Philosophy, dash into the world of connections between ideas developed in computer science, biology, philosophy, providing new something into some fundamental questions about the nature of consciousness and free will. Okay, biological systems की बात हो रही है इसमें. Over here, if you see, I have put a star mark over here. Why I have put this star mark? The answer is because this is acting as an adjective. Important grammar rule है ये. That whenever for one noun more than one word is being used as a single adjective, it's going to be used with a hyphen. So इसीलिए यहाँ पे hyphen आ रहा है. Okay. Now second thing, after skimming, we do parts of speech classification, right? जो options हमें दिए होते हैं उनके parts of speech classification करते हैं हम. So related, अब स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है सर ईडीज हैं तो वर्ब होगी, बट रिलेटेड एडजेक्टिव होता है, राइट? रिलेटेड पर्सन, रिलेटेड फिनोमिनन। ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर ईडीज वाले, आईएनजीज वाले भी आपके एडजेक्टिव्स हो सकते हैं। रेप्लिकेटेड, किसी चीज को रेप्लिकेट करना मतलब दोबारा से कॉपी करना, मोर और लेस, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वर्ब। सस्टेन, कोई चीज सस्टेन करना, मेंटेन करना। डेल्व्स, किसी चीज को यू कैन से डीप इन डिप करना, मतलब कुछ और डिटेल में पता करना, ठीक है, डूब जाना उसमें, यू कैन से लाइक दिस। इम्प्लीकेशंस, अब एक रीडिंग हैक, ग्रामर हैक इज दिस, जितने भी मेंस होते हैं, जितने भी शंस होते हैं, ऑल आर गोइंग टू बी नाउन। रिलाई, किसी चीज पे रिलाई करना, राइट? सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वर्ब। इनसाइट्स, किसी भी चीज की डिटेल्स या इनसाइट्स मीन्स इट्स अ नाउन, डिटेल पता करनी, तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी योर नाउन। सर्वाइव, किसी चीज पे सर्वाइव करना, किसी चीज के लिए सर्वाइवल, राइट? इट्स गोइंग टू बी योर verb. So insights is noun. Now we have done this basic thing. Now the next thing which we need to do, which you guys need to understand is this, that अब हमें grammar के rules के basis पे solve करना होता है. We do not go by the, you can say, traditional method. अब हमें grammar के hacks पता हैं, shortcuts पता हैं. We teach these to our students. तो अब बी यूज हो रहा है, बी कहाँ यूज होगा? एक सिंपल सी बात है, राइट? बी के साथ यू नो दैट वर्ब की कौन सी फॉर्म आती है? थर्ड फॉर्म या ईडीज वाले। अब वर्ब्स के ईडीज रिस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट यूजिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन। आई कॉल दिस एज आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड फॉर एवर। सो सिर्फ ईडीज वाले वर्ड्स रख के रेस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट। ओके, अब सिंपल सी बात है, रिलेटेड ईडी है, राइट? बट इट्स एज एन एडजेक्टिव, सो ये भी एलिमिनेट होगा। सो अब यहाँ पे बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस हैं, कौन क्या होंगे? द आंसर इज रेप्लिकेटेड। वैसे भी एक ही आंसर बचा है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आर प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन। So you see how easy things can be if you really know the right grammar hacks which we teach to our students. कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, सिर्फ आपने ये देखा ईडीज हैं, बी के साथ ईडी लगेंगे, so it's going to be the replicated. Moving on to the next blank. What are the dash of something? अब एक grammatical structure होता है, the something of something में generally यहाँ पे noun आता है, और कभी कभार it can be plural noun, but generally singular noun होता है. So again going to use our process of elimination. So अब related रिमूव हो जाएगा, डेल्व्स रिमूव हो जाएगा, सस्टेन रिमूव हो जाएगा, रिलाई रिमूव हो जाएगा, सर्वाइव रिमूव हो जाएगा. These are our two nouns which are pending or which are left after doing process of elimination. So the answer for this one, what are the implications or insights of development? Implications क्या होते हैं? एक तरह से consequences. So what are the consequences of development? See how easy it can be. दो में से एक सही चूज करना बहुत easy है. So what are the implications of developments? Okay. अब यहाँ पे देखिए philosophy dash into क्या होता है? Right, जाना. So इसमें यहाँ पे क्या आएगी? एक verb आएगी. Like you go into, you dig into, right? You find into something, you explore into, you read into. उस वे में मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ. So it's going to be a verb. Again, using our process of elimination, we are going to eliminate related because it's an adjective, and we are going to eliminate insights. It's an noun. Okay. Survive, rely, delve, sustain. अब यहाँ पे हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? एक सिंगल पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं. So अब हमारा ग्रामर का अलग रूल यूज होगा, विच इज सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. अब सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट क्या कहता है? अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब भी क्या होगी? सिंगुलर होगी. ओके. अब उसके बेसिस पे अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पे वर्ब प्लस एंड अनदर ग्रामर हैक फॉर आवर स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर यू गाइज ऑल्सो, वर्ब प्लस एस इज ऑलवेज सिंगुलर, जबकि नाउन प्लस एस इज प्लूरल. तो अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड है वर्ब में जो एस के साथ है, सिंगुलर है, बाकी सारे प्लूरल. सस्टेन, रिलाई, सर्वाइव आर प्लूरल वर्ब्स. ओके. तो यहाँ पे आंसर, इफ यू नो द करेक्ट ग्रामर रूल, इज गोइंग टू बी delves इनटू. ओके. अब coming to the last blank, you see how things can be easy if you know the correct grammar rules. Providing new dash. अब new क्या है? New is your adjective. New philosophy, new ideas, new clothes. So विशेषण है, विशेषता बता रहे हैं, attributes हैं ये. तो यहाँ पे अब क्या होगा? You are going to use a noun. So what you are going to do? Eliminate the other things. Like आपने eliminate कर दिए बाकी verbs और adjective, और आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही word बचा है जो noun है, which is insights. So the answer is going to be insights. Okay. So you see how with the use of grammar we could solve reading filling the blanks easily. Let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So what is our reading filling the blank strategy? Our strategy is based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we do skimming, forward reading, backward reading, tone analysis. In lexical resource, we pay a lot of attention to collocations, phrasal verbs, and vocabulary. This is something which you build slowly and steadily. And with grammar, we have a complete grammar course, which is not going to help in just in your reading, but also in your writing as well as listening. So what is in our grammar course, which we teach to our students, is first thing, parts of speech classification. You have seen it. Subject verb agreement, you have seen its usage today. Prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rule, and sentences. All of this we teach to our students online as well as offline, because it's very important. Grammar is very important to crack PTE. And you have 2 to 2.5 minutes only to solve your reading filling the blanks. Always remember this. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you can skim the content, you can do parts of speech classification. In next 90 to 120 seconds, you can apply process of elimination like we did today. You can apply the grammar strategies and hacks to find the answers. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our success stories where students have achieved 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. If you have any question, any doubt, or if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can contact us at 8699 121 121. And we post such informative videos on a regular basis, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We give wings to your dreams.